Out here at Silverville Corn. I just had to come over and look at this cub.
I drove this when I was 9 years old.
You drove this when you were 9 years old?
Yeah.
Farmal cub, McCormick. Isn't that?
There's the lift for the back. And I'd haul milk cans filled with water to the cattle out in the pasture.
Wow. That's pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
Very cool place. Well done.
They have a lot of antique farm equipment. Like over there too is some of the old-fashioned farm equipment.
Look at this, hey, this is awesome.
So there's your disc. No, that's your cedar.
That's the cedar there.
That's a cedar.
Yeah.
That's a cedar. This is this is a scuffler.
That's a scuffler. This is a cedar. This is
just
the tiller.
Tiller, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's a scuffler.
That's the scuffler?
Yep. You use it in between the rows.
Yeah.
And see the hook on the end?
Yeah.
So my dad would hook up the end to the cub.
Yeah.
And he would operate this between the rows. See, and you adjust it there.
Fantastic.
And I had just started teaching.
Yeah.
And he said, "Come on, we got to go do some scuffling."
And
I hadn't even changed out of my dress from school. And he hooked up the scuffler and we were scuffling in the field. And wouldn't you know, two of my colleagues would pull up. And here I am in my school clothes, up in the field, scuffling.
Fantastic.
They thought it was hilarious.
Did you ever use the cedar?
No, not me personally.
No. No, that was for corn or barley or...
Well, you can adjust it
Yeah.
to whatever you're sowing.
Fantastic.
Now see, he would sow oats.
Yeah.
He'd do fields of oats. We had hay, but oats for the animals.
Right.
To make chalk.
There we go, boys and girls. That is very cool. There's the... Look at that.
That's the box. You put your seed in there.
Yeah.
And
Fantastic.
then it's fed to the cedar.
Now this one is the lister. For the list on the side here to.
That's a plow.
Yeah, it's a plow, but the list, you see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, your phone's ringing.
Oh.
Okay. Couple of more old stuff here.
That's just a cutter.
That's a cutter. Look at that. Put it down and cut the hay. Right here. Look at that, hey? That's pretty cool, eh? Wow. Well, this is Howie Jones. Much love and respect, everybody.